Political parties, 7th Civics Term 1, reduced syllabus. I choose the correct answer. 1. What is meant by the BL party system? A. Two parties run the government. B. Two members run a party. C. Two major political parties contest elections. D. None of these. 2. Which system of government does India have? A. Single party system. B. BL party system. C. Multi-party system. D. None of these. 3. Recognition of a political party is accorded by A. The Election Commission. B. The President. C. The Supreme Court. D. A committee. 4. Political parties are generally formed on the basis of A. Religious principles. B. Common interest. C. Economic principles. D. Caste. 5. Single party system is found in A. India. B. USA. C. France. D. China. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Political parties form the backbone of democracy. 2. Every party in our country has to register with the Election Commission. 3. Political parties serve as intermediaries between the policy makers. 4. Are registered but unrecognized. Political party cannot contest an election on its own symbol. 5. The leader of the opposition party enjoys the rank of cabinet minister. 3. Match the following. 1. Democracy. 2. Election Commission. 3. Majority party. 4. Opposition party. Criticize the government policies. 4. Forms the government. 3. Rule of the people. 1. Free and fair election. 2. IV. Consider the following statements. Tick the appropriate answer. 1. Which of the following statements are correct? A. Every party in the country has to register with the Election Commission. B. The Commission treats all the parties equally. C. Election Commission allots a separate symbol for recognized parties. D. All the above. 2. Assertion. Majority party plays a decisive role in making laws for the country. Reason. The number of candidates elected is more than the others in the election. The citizen. A. R is the correct explanation of A. B. R is not the correct explanation of A. C. R is wrong. A is correct. D. A and R are wrong. V. Answer in one or two sentences. 1. What are the basic components of a political party? Any political party has three basic components. The leader, the active members, the followers. 2. Name the three major types of party system. Single party system, bi-party system and multi-party system. 3. Name the countries which follow bi-party system. Bi-party system can be seen in the UK and USA. V. Answer the following. 1. Write any four functions of a political party. Functions of the political parties. Nominate, select and nominate individuals to elected office. Organize political campaigns, rallies and announcements of manifesto to win public office. Inspire, put forward different policies and programs for the welfare of the people. Coordinate, connect the society and the state. Coordinate, among members elected to office. Govern, form and run the government and develop public policy. 2. When is a political party recognized as a national party? A party that secures at least 6% of the valid votes in the Lok Sabha election or assembly election in 4 states. They must win 4 seats in Lok Sabha from any state. It has to win 2% of seats in Lok Sabha from at least 3 different states in the latest general election. 7. Hots. 1. Is a political party necessary for a democratic country? Political parties are the backbone of democracy. They are essential elements to form the government. They serve as intermediaries between the citizens and the policy makers. So political parties are necessary for a democratic country. 2. Give any three names of national party, regional party, and registered but unrecognized party. National Party Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Indian National. Regional Party Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, DMK, Ahindya Anna Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, ADMK. Unrecognized Part New Generation People's Party, TN, Rashtriya Safnaik Party, Rajasthan, Bharosa Party, Telangana.